Alright guys, it's currently the next day. Yeah, so we're going to another meet. I'm just getting ready. It was actually really warm today. Yesterday it was like 15 degrees. I may be dressed under the weather, but who cares? Got Ruby behind me. Got GT50. Got the Go Far. The same crew from yesterday. Anyways, we're waiting for one more car, E92. Crazy, because somebody I grew up with. Didn't even know he had a whip, but yeah, he's pulling up, and then we're gonna head over there. It's 6:45 now. Their ride out is at 7:30 from Burger City in Long Island. We're leaving from the X, so see how fast we'll get there. I'm gonna try to do my best. I don't have a cameraman sitting in car with me, so I'll see how this goes and how I do.
Eventually.
Yo, comment and let me know if you think we'll make it to Burger City in 20 minutes. Really out. Acting up, acting up. You good, you good. Turbo's full of this shit. Tots, Toys for Tots everywhere. Toys for Tots.
It's a backhead. This guy fish. What, you need pants? No.
Ford way.
There's rust.
Yo. Fuck with it. OD. Oh, he got the lights. Toys for Tots. Nah, that's it. That's fire. That's wavy.
I thought that was sim in that break, bro. But I'm like, wait.
He's about to mac this shit's clean. Sheesh. Unicorn out in the wild. Oh, my bad, bro.
Oh, no, bro.
All right, Joe. All right. All right.
Yes.
Joe, backflip.
What?
Backflip. Everybody's leaving. We're running. We're running. Ooh. Shit is clean. We're here. All my boys are here. This meet is insane. So many cars. We're on our way now to Jones Beach. So stay tuned. I'm gonna keep trying to get the best footage I can. It's kind of hard. Like, I've been maneuvering, doing some crazy shit, but we'll get to it.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I guess we're here. There's so much traffic. I don't even know how much time we're gonna have to get out, take pictures and stuff like that, but I'll give you guys a rundown when we get around there. I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. Oh, nice. Nice. Wow. Alright, so all my boys left. And I'm still here. One of my boys from out here is actually up there, so he wants to see me. Might as well stay, right? So yeah, I'm still waiting. So can't promise anything, but yeah, we'll be back soon. Finally!
Guala beatz.
Guys, so I just came back. I waited 2 hours just to get to the lights. One of my boys held it down. He waited for me. Shout out to Dion. Good looking for waiting for me, bro. I'm on my way back home right now. I have 31 miles left in my tank, so let's see how far I can take this shit. Yeah, the lights were cool. Half my boys had to leave. It would have been nice if they would have stayed. I don't have my portrait lens on me right now, so I really couldn't shoot anything, but I mean, it's good I didn't shoot anything because somebody threw dirt. Well, not threw dirt, but a truck just splashed dirt all over my whip, and this shit looks terrible right now. So I'm on my way back home. Thanks for watching the vlog. Thank God this shit's going in like another month. Anyways, thanks for watching the vlog. We'll be back. Definitely planning my food vlogs. Didn't forget about that. I'm a man of my word. So yeah, stay tuned for more vlogs.